All right, everyone. A little breezy, but we are in Hoboken, New Jersey, getting ready to head across the... Are we taking the train or the ferry? We're taking the train across and heading into New York City. Come along for this adventure. Let's get outdoors. Okay, we are inside temporarily from our walk outside. We are at Carlo's Bakery here in Hoboken, New Jersey. And my favorite friend in the whole world is enjoying a lobster tail. And I got my favorite dessert, cannolis. And the cool thing is, the lady there in the counter, oh, she just left. I think she saw me taking a video of her. That is actually Carlo's sister. So cool to be in such a well-known place. Oh, there she is. She's really getting after it now. All right. Leaving Hoboken, getting ready to get on the train to head into the city. All right, everyone, we've made it to New York City. We've crossed over from New Jersey into New York, and we are cruising up towards our hotel location. All right, everyone, heading up through central New York here and on our way to Rockefeller Center. As you can see, there are lots of people enjoying the outdoors, even though we're in the city. All right, this tree is in front of Fox News here, almost to Rockefeller Center, and we're gonna keep on cruising up the street to get to the Rockefeller Center tree. This tree is, as you can see, at the Avenues of America. It's recessed, which really makes it pretty cool to see. Does the guy on a bike actually really be Santa Claus? Here is some pretty massive balls, Christmas balls that is. It's really cool to see great ways to be experiencing outside here in New York City. All right, here we are at Radio City Music Hall. What are we? Really can't go anywhere because there's traffic. We're at Radio City Music Hall and getting ready to see if we can track down the tree at Rockefeller Center. This is kind of like finding Where's Waldo. All right, although it's not lit up yet, there is the Rockefeller Christmas tree. Shame it's not lit up, but cool to be here nonetheless. Alright everyone, here we are. We finally made it. There is the tree at Rockefeller Center. And there's the rink. Everybody out there getting their skate on. We're actually going to go to Woolman Rink that we've already walked past.
I know.
Try to save some shoes.
All right, well, my wife finally made it to the Today Show corner, and I am sure my mother-in-law is going to be super jealous. Downside, there's nobody filming inside. So, but we're still here. So pretty cool to be in New York City. All right, here we are in Bryant Park. The line for the bathroom was insane. I have been in and out, and my poor wife just was able to go in. Really cool little place. Along the outside, there are lots of shops, and in the center, inside that space right over there, there is ice skating. Go check it out. All right, everyone, here we are at 12 Chairs, and my wife is trying something she has never had before. It's a chicken pita schnitzel, and I think it's probably awesome. I'm gonna get to try it here in just a minute. All right, everyone, we are, okay, wow, that's a lot. We are walking up Broadway toward Times Square. So, although it's nighttime, we're still outside in the city that never sleeps. But we are going to go to sleep. Come on. All right, everyone. Last stop at walking through downtown New York City. This is the Empire State Building. We're going to go up to the top of our hotel and look out across to see the top. Pretty massive.